Hey, it's Dennis, and in this video I'm gonna show you a nice little strategy that I've recently found on LinkedIn, where you can send basically unlimited amount of messages for free without any additional restrictions while running other campaigns with, for example, connections or LinkedIn emails or group messages, right? So this does not exclude them. Let me show you how it works, right? So we are here in LinkedIn Home. What you can do here is go into search bar and type some keyword in your niche. For me it would be probably like marketing. Now we click here on events, and here are the events that people are attending. All right, and what we can do here is that we can actually attend most of these events as well, right? And once we are attending them, we can actually see all of the members here, right? So what I did here, I joined the event. Now I click here on the members, and once I'm here, what I can do here, click all filters, and I can actually filter out the people in here. So what I can do is go like US, you can go profile, language, English, you can even select service categories, industries. Okay, in this case let's just try out filters, right? So we can filter our company, school, but most of you will just use the title filter. So you can go like CEO or marketing director or founder, right? Doesn't matter, whatever you want, just use this boolean search or. And once you have your filters down, you just click show results, and you will just get certain amount of people. What you can do here, right? In the past you could message any one of these people, but right now you just can message some of those, and it basically works the same way as LinkedIn group messages. All right, so you can send out messages to these people. There are gonna be some of them. What I recommend you to do actually is if you want to scale this up, you just hire a VA, you train him how to find these groups, and this can be just like a part-time commitment where he would be, for example, reaching out to 100 people every single day through this strategy. You can use a platform like Hide My Account, where you can log this account, and then people can use it, the VAs can use it and actually reach out on your side. All right, and this way you essentially increase your volume by as much as you want for free, and just get additional help. And what is really good about this strategy is that these people, all of these people, are active on LinkedIn because they had to click on the attend button. So that means that they are active on LinkedIn. So you're probably gonna get way better response rates than you would maybe do in like Sales Navigator or Groups Outreach campaign. All right, so the way I do it here, you just click here on pages, and you are checking for people who you can message, right? There will be always a couple of them on most of these pages. And once you're done with a group, you do the same thing, right? So for example, let's say finance, events, finance, go like this, right? And you probably get the point. So that's gonna be it for this video. If you like it and like other content, feel free to check out my other LinkedIn outreach video right here that I have made recently, how you can send almost unlimited emails without any extra effort on autopilot. Also check out my description below, where you can join our free community, where you can network with other people who are doing the same thing as you do probably, and you can just find a great community of people. All right, that's gonna be it for this video, and stay hard.